Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So it is Sunday. So today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a really bomb brunch for your boo, your bae, whoever. So the first thing that we're going to prep and start cooking are the home fries. So you're going to need about 6 potatoes, 1 green onion, and 1 yellow onion. So first you're going to wash off your potatoes. Make sure you get any excess like dirt or I don't know what's on this. But just wash your potatoes. Just wash anything before you start cooking it. And then once you finish washing them, you're going to peel them. And then I recommend to wash them again after you peel them. And then you're going to cut them into small little cubes. These are the seasonings that I'm going to use to season my potatoes. I will list it in the description as always. And I'm also going to use a little bit of olive oil to place in the pan. So now that my potatoes are seasoned, I'm now going to dump them into this frying pan. You're going to mix everything together and then you're going to add your green pepper and your onion. You want to make sure that you cut up your green pepper and your onion very fine. You just want it to be very small. You don't want any big pieces. You're going to mix everything together and then you're going to place the top on the pan and you're going to turn your fire down really low. Don't have your fire up high because you don't want to burn the potatoes. Now we're going to prep our bacon and sausage, and I purchased this aluminum foil pan, so I'm just going to slice the bacon in half, and I'm going to use about 6 slices, and I'm going to place them on the sheet and place it in the oven. And now we're going to cook our sausage. I'm going to use these type of sausage. You can use any kind that you like, and I'm going to use 4, and I'm just going to place them in the frying pan on a low fire and cook them on each side. Now we're going to check back on our home fries, and we're going to take the top off and we're going to allow them to cook for the remaining time without the top on. The sausage should be done now, so now we're going to just place this to the side while we cook the remaining of our food. Now we're going to cook our eggs, so we're going to prep a half of red pepper and a half of yellow onion and 1 stalk of a green onion. You're now going to cut up your red pepper and your onions, and you're also going to get 4 eggs, and you're also going to be using some spinach too. Now you're going to melt about 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter, and then you're going to place your peppers and onions in there. Once the peppers and onions start to get soft, that is when you will add your spinach and then your eggs. Once your eggs are finished, you're then going to add some Colby Jack cheese. And you can use whatever cheese that you like if you want to use cheddar or mozzarella. But I feel that Colby Jack is the perfect mixture and blend, and it goes really well with eggs. Now you're going to melt about 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter and maybe 1 or 2 teaspoons of honey for your croissants. So you're basically going to slice them just like this. And you're going to get ready to add everything to your croissant. You now want to get a aluminum foil pan and just spray it down with some pan so that it doesn't stick. And you want to get your butter and your honey ready. So you're basically going to place the butter on the croissant. You're going to do it on the bottom parts, and then you're going to do it on the top parts. Now you're gonna add your eggs, peppers and spinach and onions, and then we're gonna go back to the plate that we have with the sausage and bacon, and you're gonna layer the sausage first, and then you're gonna layer the bacon after. We're now gonna add the top croissant on, and we're just gonna place some butter on the top of the croissant, and then we're gonna follow it by placing the honey on top of the croissant. And you can use as much honey as you like. I only use a little bit, but you can use as much as you like. If you like your bread to be kind of sweet, definitely recommend to use a lot. And then you're gonna place it in the oven on 350 degrees for about 5 to 10 minutes. I would check it at 5, and then if you feel like it can still be toasted more, you can do up to 10 minutes. And now you have a croissant, sausage, bacon, egg, cheese, onions, and peppers sandwich along with some home fries. This makes the perfect brunch. And you can have it with some mimosas. I didn't record mine, but I definitely had some mimosas with this. But this is an easy, quick, and awesome brunch. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe.